just gotta check. I back it up, cause I don't give a fuck.
Look, lock, lick, luck, duck, muck. Look. Look refers to the act of directing your eyes towards something to see it. Look at that beautiful sunset.
Look.
Look!
Lock. Lock refers to a device used to secure something, typically by fastening it with a key. Don't forget to lock the door when you leave.
Yes, we got it unlocked.
Locked!
Might just let you lock it down.
Lock?
Target locked.
Target locked.
Lick. Lick means to touch something with your tongue, often to taste it. The dog licked the ice cream cone.
Lick your lips as I soak my feet.
No licks.
Sorry, boss.
Luck. Luck refers to the good or bad things that happen to you without being planned or expected. I hope you have good luck on your exam.
Pull up, I'll hop out with all of the drugs and the good luck.
Good luck.
Good luck? That's the other
Game intuition, play the cards with spades to start. And
Good luck. Saying good luck is bad luck.
Dock. Dock refers to a structure where boats or ships are tied up, usually near the shore. The ship is waiting at the dock to unload the cargo.
Workers Union. Come on.
Furniture pads. Loading dock.
The docks, the explosion.
Sock. Sock primarily refers to a piece of clothing worn on the foot. It can also mean a strong punch or hit. I bought a new pair of wool socks for winter.
gonna make you fall, gonna suck it to you.
Neist sucks.
Socks or just a sock?
Mock. Mock means to imitate or make fun of someone in a mean way. He mocked his friend's way of speaking.
neck, water, faucet, water, mocking birds, mocking.
The mock.
We were mocking. You can't mock the mocking.
Pock. Pock refers to small marks or scars on the skin, often caused by diseases like chicken pox or acne. The old road was pocked with holes.
After I salved every chicken pox on your ungrateful body?
Chicken pox fight.
The blackest abyss is a pock in the flesh.
Hey, now my first chicken pox.
Pick. Pick means to choose something from a group, to take or lift. Something with fingers, or to use a tool like a pickaxe. She picked the red apple from the basket.
When you pick it up, girl, I'm ready.
Ooh, pick me, pick me, pick me.
Pick me! Pick me!
Pick up.
Knock. Knock refers to the notch at the end of an arrow that holds it in place on the bowstring before being shot. He placed the arrow's knock onto the bowstring.